In the silent expanse of the cosmos, a force beyond black holes, beyond supernovae, quietly shapes the destiny of galaxies. And your wallet. It's not gravity. It's not dark energy. It's compound interest. Imagine a single atom of wealth. Insignificant, right? Like a penny dropped in the void. That's your initial investment. But in the universe of finance, time is the ultimate amplifier. And interest is the cosmic multiplier. Each year, your atom attracts more atoms. Interest earned isn't just spent. It becomes part of the growing mass, attracting even more interest. It's a snowball effect, but on a galactic scale. Think of it as financial gravity. Money attracting more money, endlessly. Year after year, decade after decade, this process accelerates. Exponential growth. It starts slow, almost imperceptible. But like the universe expanding, the rate of increase becomes mind-blowing. That penny, over time, it becomes a planet, then a star system, then a galaxy of wealth. This is the secret the financial elite don't want you to fully grasp. Compound interest isn't just math. It's a fundamental law of financial physics. Harness it, and you're tapping into a force that can build wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Ignore it, and you're fighting against the very fabric of financial reality. The key? Time. The earlier you start, the more time this cosmic force has to work its magic. Don't wait for a perfect moment. Don't be intimidated by the vastness of the financial universe. Start small. Start now. Plant that single atom of wealth. Unlock the universe of compound interest. Your financial galaxy awaits.